Hey you guys, welcome back to the Canny Nana. I'm going to come on here really quickly. I'm about to leave for Universal's A Taste of Universal, and I will be doing a couple lives there and shooting a couple videos to put up on my channel afterwards. I record my travels, as well as some of my canning things. What I want to do is I want to add another level to giving to Heather, the Kneady Homesteader, who needs our help. So what I'm doing, I'm going to do a launch of my canning debubblers, which is what you see right here. And as some of you know, they were for sale for $6.50, which is kind of my almost break-even cost. It includes shipping. What I'm going to do is put them out there for $8, and it includes $2 that is going to go to Heather for each debubbler sale that I have. And I will put I think it's my PayPal in the description. And all you need to do, you could just buy one for $6.50, or you can buy one for $8, and that extra $2 is going to be donated to Heather altogether in her through her GoFundMe. And we've already raised $21 and change from the video that I put up telling her story and what's going on and sharing her link. And I can continue, please, to pray for her, pray for their family, pray for Mina and Mason, and share that link, you guys. Okay, let's get her to $1 million. That is my personal goal. I mentioned in one of my videos that I do Avon, and I want to give 25% of my sales to Heather, and I haven't even formally done a video on that. That's going to be included here, but I've got 13 of you guys who have already done sales, and the way this community has come together to just give is amazing. So it's just an extra way, to give to Heather. And if you need Avon, if you're going to buy Avon anyway, why not have 25% of that go to them? So it's just my way of giving, as well as my debubblers. And I just want to help them in any way that I possibly can. And this is just a small thing, but hoping that you guys will be with me in this. If you can, please spread this video. I'm going to put her fundraiser link in my description box, as well as my Avon link in the description box, and my PayPal information. So in the box for PayPal, if you want to buy one of these, if you are just buying one, it's $6.50, includes shipping. And if you are donating, it's $8, includes shipping. And I'll know by the price what you're doing. Make sure that you give me your address. If you can email me at the canningnana@gmail.com if you place an order there or place an order on Avon, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Let's do what we can. Let's raise more money, okay? And please keep watching her videos. Put them on play, and just watch her playlists, you guys. That gives her money as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later in some new videos. I'm also going to be doing this with Herbalife in a different video, but I don't have time to get all that together right now. So thanks, you guys, for all of your support. I'm overwhelmed by all the new subscribers that I have. I'm going to be doing a 6,000 subscriber giveaway pretty soon. Don't know when, probably sometime next week, and going to get some awesome prizes today at Universal Studios Hollywood. So stay tuned, you guys, and thank you for all of your prayers for Heather and her family. It's so appreciated. This community is amazing. Let's show her what we can do, okay? Let's get them to $1 million. Have a great day, guys. Bye.